How to fix Cant download, please ask that it be resent to you WhatsApp problem. If you are facing this kind of issue on your WhatsApp, then here's how to fix it. This problem can be caused due to various reasons. However, you can follow these steps to resolve it. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the WhatsApp app. To do so, you can either open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for the WhatsApp app. If there is an update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. Now go back and open Settings. In Settings, go to your Wi-Fi option. Here, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then forget your network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go back to your settings main page. Go to the search bar on the top and search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, go to the Photos option. Make sure that you have selected Full Access. Also ensure that the options such as microphone, camera and Face ID are turned on. Now go back to your settings main page. Scroll down and tap on the option General. Then go to the option iPhone Storage. Here you will need to search for the application WhatsApp. Now click on the offload option and again select offload app. After doing this, go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.